Welcome to How to Solve. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to run ads on Pinterest. First of all, make sure your tag is installed on your website so that Pinterest can track all the events happening on our store. Tags installed on a website typically refers to pieces of code or scripts that are added to web pages to collect data or enable certain functionalities. These tags are often provided by third-party services and are embedded into the website's code to track users' interactions, measure website analytics, personalize content, or enable specific features. Here are some common types of tags installed on websites. First is analytics tags, which provide valuable insights into visitor demographics, page reviews, traffic sources, and other metrics. Then, advertising tags that monitor conversions, retarget visitors, or provide data for ad attribution. Next is conversion tracking, which helps businesses assess the effectiveness of their marketing efforts and optimize conversion rates. We also have remarketing tags that helps deliver personalized advertisements and encourage returning visitors to complete desired actions. Then chat and support tags, which enable real-time communication with website visitors and enhance customer service. And lastly is the tag management system, which simplifies the process of adding, editing, and controlling tags without directly modifying the website's code. It is important to note that the specific tag installed on a website depend on the website's owner objectives, the service they use, and the functionalities that they want to enable. Different websites may have different sets of tags based on their specific requirements and goals. So our goal is to track Pinterest page visits, purchases, and add to cart to monitor earnings and sales. So now that you know how helpful it is installing tags, I'm gonna show you how to set it up step by step. Make sure not to skip the video so you won't miss any tips. So first of all, install the Pinterest app, or you can also open Pinterest on any browser. But for me, I am currently using Chrome. And then on your Pinterest account, if you don't have a business account yet, you can switch or upgrade your account to a business account. In this way, you'll be able to create campaigns and run ads. Next to your profile icon, click the arrow down and then click on Convert to Business. And then on the screen, you will see different features between personal and business accounts in Pinterest. And as you can see, with the business account, you can track and manage campaigns, discover top performing ads or pins, and you'll be able to access credits and offers. And then here, you will just have to provide your business or brand name. You can also paste your website link here if you have, and if you don't, you can simply select No. Then, you will have to choose your country or region and your preferred language. Next is to customize details for your business account. Here, you will have to select one focus of your brand. We have beauty, fashion, home, travel, food and drink, DIY and crafts, health and fitness, education, design and art, events, and other. So I'm just gonna choose DIY and crafts here. And then you'll also select 3 goals here, but you can always update this in your settings. And once you're done, you will also describe your business. So just select what applies to you, and then you can select how you want to start. You can share ideas or showcase your brand. And then finally, they will give you an opportunity to share your first pin in which you can add titles, description, and upload images. but you can also do this later. So on your dashboard, you have few options to get started with Pinterest advertising. You can claim your website, showcase your ideas, unlock conversion insights, and lastly is to promote your content, which enables you to create campaigns. So click on that, and if you cannot access the create campaign option, it means that it is not available in your country or region. So you have to change that in your account settings. And once you are in your account overview, click on create campaigns, and then here you have two options. The first one is an automated campaign, and this is recommended if you are new to advertising. However, you need to settle the billing since this is paid advertisement. And the other one is manual campaign, which enables you to take full control on every detail of the campaign. And this option is best with an experienced advertiser. And then next is the campaign details. Here you have to choose between the three campaign objectives. We have here build awareness, drive consideration, and get conversions. So there is a description here on which you would like to focus. Fill in the details for your campaign, including the campaign name, start and end dates, and targeting options. And under the budget and schedule, you will find options to set your budget. And here is how you can do it. First is to choose between a daily or a lifetime budget. A daily budget sets a maximum spend per day, while a lifetime budget sets a maximum spend over the entire duration of your campaign. Enter the amount you are willing to spend per day or for the campaign's lifetime, depending on your selection. Pinterest will provide a recommended bid range based on your targeting options. You can set your bid within that range, and you can also choose to set a pacing option for your budget. Pinterest offers two pacing options, which are the standard and accelerated. The standard option spreads your budget throughout the day, while the accelerated option spends your budget more quickly. And once you're done, review your campaign settings, including the budget, and ensure they are accurate. Remember to regularly monitor your campaign's performance and adjust your budget if needed to optimize your results. Then, click on the Continue button to proceed to the next steps of creating your Pinterest campaign. Then here under the targeting details, we have a targeting strategy wherein the approach that you will take to reach and engage your desired audience with your marketing efforts. So you will just select the option that you want to take. And then next is the audience list, which is a targeted group of individuals that you create based on specific criteria or data points. It consists of people who have already interacted with your brand or who meet certain characteristics that you define. Then we have the interest and keywords. These two targeting options commonly used in online advertising platforms to reach specific audiences. They also help advertisers refine their targeting by focusing on users who have demonstrated an interest in certain topics or have engaged with specific keywords. The next is the demographics, which is a specific characteristic and attributes of a population or target audience that can be used to segment and target them in marketing efforts. Demographic targeting is a common strategy used in advertising to reach specific group of people based on factors such as age, gender, income, education, marital status, occupation, and more. By understanding and leveraging demographics, you can better tailor your marketing messages and reach the right audience segments that are most likely to be interested in your offerings. Aside from that, we have budget and schedule, optimization and delivery, which I already explained earlier. Lastly, we have ads. So you have an option here to select pins, create a pin, or create an idea pin. In this pin builder, you will just have to insert photos that are less than 20 MB and videos that are less than 2 gig. Then provide title, description, and destination link. And once you have completed all the necessary steps, review your campaign details once again and click on Publish button to start your campaign. So that's it for this tutorial, and I hope this video is helpful. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.